All right, so I'm just gonna show you how to install and set up the Unagi here. So basically you have this piece, you connect it to the base. This thing was kind of inside the unit a little bit, so you can either tip it upside down, or I use these needle nose pliers, and I just grabbed it like this and just kind of pull it out. It pulls out very easily. All you're gonna do is you're gonna match up this guy here with this one, and you can see there's like a little notch there, so they're quite easy to match up, and you can't really screw this up. Okay, once it's secure, you just, so make sure that this is the right way, okay? And you're just gonna kind of feed that down in there. It'll kind of just pop on there pretty nice and easy. The other thing that Unagi did, they have this really nice packaging. They include 4 screws that actually have Loctite, it looks like, on the screw itself, which is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to use, they've got this included, what do you call it? I guess this is an Allen wrench, hex wrench. I don't know, probably saying the wrong thing. And let me pause the video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the included tool with, there's 4 screws, and you just simply going to twist that in, one in the top. I'm gonna do the extra tightening in a second. One for the bottom. Okay. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now we have the scooter turned around. Same thing here. You've got Loctite, which is great. Really smart on Unagi's part for the design. Yep, I just turned it on just to double check. It's probably good to turn it on, because once you have it connected, it comes with probably 60, 70, 80% charge, which it does. I've got 4 out of 5 bars here. So you know it's working. So you're gonna get these guys in. And so now the front ones are tight. I'm gonna tighten the back ones here. Oh, probably too much light. Let me just turn this off. Oh, yeah, so it's a single press of the button to turn on and off the light. I'm gonna just tighten these a hair more so it's real stable. Yep, and don't go too tight, just finger tight. You don't wanna strip anything. That is about it. And this scooter's ready to go. Very quick and easy. That's the setup.